that has affected you personally, given your long-time ties to the police department. Reiterate your feelings from this morning.
Well, it's like I said, my heart is broken. Why don't you take over?
It's just a hard day for Southport. The mayor, certainly being a prior police chief for many years, his whole career has been spent in law enforcement. We're just all devastated, so we're just kind of getting everything today and coming together as a group to try to make the best decision for the citizens and keep the community safe and keep their, just to reassure them that we're making the best decision with the information we have. So it's tough for all of us.
And real quick, let me ask you about when you guys heard about this, and obviously the meeting you guys had prior to this,
yes.
It's maybe all confidential. Did the topic come up that if there was, prior to all this even happening, if there was an issues with pay or anything like that? I mean, why these fellas might want to
thought we paid them a good salary. I know that they've had a salary increase within the past 3 years to bring them up equal to some of the departments around here. I didn't know we had an issue there.
We're constantly looking at salaries, but it is just
the city manager made an adjustment.
We just did a cost of living increase July 1st.
I mean, let me give you one more, I guess, clear statement you'd like to make for folks around here, around the city. You know, being the former chief, being the current mayor, how much I think now you were, I mean, if the word is right to say motivated to assure them that still it's going to be business as usual protection.
It's going to be business as usual. I want to make sure that everyone knows we're still going to have police protection or law enforcement protection. The sheriff is going to come down. He's not going to let us down. And like I said, we have about 4 or 5 deputies that are citizens of Southport, actually live here. One of them is our Mayor Pro Tem, Todd Corn. He is actually a sheriff's deputy and lives here. The other thing I want to re-emphasize, we're also going to still have our citizen staff, our dispatchers. They're still going to be on duty for things like our golf, to come in for information. We have a golf cart registration program. They'll be there for a public display of whenever people buy things on the internet so they don't get scammed. They're still going to be available for that. There'll be deputies down here to also participate in any investigations that are ongoing. And I have all confidence that we're going to make it through this. All confidence in the will. And like I said, before I was the chief of police, I was a state trooper. And I had the opportunity to work many, many days with the Sheriff Ingram, Deputy Miller, Deputy Todd Corey, before I took over as chief of police in Southport. And I assure you they're very professional people and very concerned about the welfare of not only Southport, but all of the citizens in Brunswick County, including Southport.
This is just a curiosity question. We have to go innocent till proven guilty on all cases.
Yes.
Do you plan to go see the former chief, talk to him?
Well, I haven't yet, but I want you to know that I did work. I worked with the chief for 19 years. Of course, he took over after I retired and became mayor, and we were close. Like, this is tragedy, you know. It not only happens to chiefs of police, but it happens every day in life. Whenever it happens to a chief of police or a public official like that, we'll probably come down on them a little harder, because just like the DA said, you know, we're men of honor. And sometimes we forget about that. We think people in public office sometimes forget about that, and power and money override good judgment. And instead of being men of principle, we become men of money and power. God forbid that ever happens anymore. You asked me about being in Southport. Do I take it personal? Yes, I do.
And we appreciate you talking to us, Mayor. Hope it comes out right.
What was your name, sir?
Todd Coring.
Todd Coring?
Yes, it's C-O-R-I-N-G.
Thanks,